Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Math and Mathematics. Today we will learn how to convert decimals into fractions. To convert decimal into fraction, the approach differs depending on whether the decimal is terminating or non-terminating repeating. Okay, so first let us understand how to convert terminating decimal into fraction. So first let us understand what is terminating decimals. Okay. A terminating decimal is a decimal that ends after a finite number of digits. For example, 0.75. So here digits are finite. Another example, 1.25. Okay. So these digits are finite after decimal. So how to convert terminating decimals into fraction? So 0.75 is equals to, because here after decimal there is only two digits. So 75 over 100. And we can simplify it like 3 over 4. Okay, because we can simplify it divided by 25. Okay. Now what about 1.25? So we can write it like this, 125 over 100. So it will come 5 over 4. Now what about non-terminating repeating decimals? A non-terminating repeating decimal has one or more digits that repeats infinitely. For example, 0.6666. So here one digit 6 is repeating infinitely. So how to convert into the fraction? So let us suppose x is equals to 0.6666. Okay. So here only one digit is repeating. So we will multiply by 10 on both sides. So it will come 10x is equals to 6.666. Suppose this is equation first and this is equation second. So now subtract the original equation, means from like equation 1 from this equation second. So it will come 10x minus x is equals to 6.666 minus, so 9x is equals to 6. So x is equals to 6 over 9, or we can say 2 over 3. Okay. Now suppose there is number like 1.232323, means two digits are repeating. So because there is two digits, so we will multiply both sides by 100. So it is x is equals to 1.2323 and so on, and we will multiply by 100. So it will become 100x is equals to 123.2323 and so on. This is equation first and this is equation second. So after subtracting equation second minus equation first, so it will come 99x is equals to 122. So x is equals to 122 over 99. Okay. Now what about non-terminating, non-repeating or recurring decimals? A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal does not repeat and also does not terminate because there is no end. For example, 0.141592. Okay, we also take another examples like 1.23695432, like this. Okay, so their terms are non-terminating and non-repeating. So we cannot convert them into fraction, and we know this kind of decimals or numbers irrational numbers. Okay. Now, here is one challenge question. Convert 0.2555 and so on into a fraction. If you don't know how to solve it, then let me know into the comment section. And that's all for today. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.